What print is this? What animal is it from? Wait, no. No.
Cool.
Yeah, that looks right. Hey, this is Katie with Mountain Stewardship and Outdoor Leadership School, and today I'm going to show you how to make a print of your dog. What you doing, Prairie? What are you doing? What are you doing? Good girl. So we're just going to dig up some of this clay. This is pretty good clay. Prairie, are you going to help me dig? Help me put it in the bucket? Oh, you want to steal it? A stick? Look at it. Yeah, so we'll just collect a bunch of this clay and put it in this bucket. Good girl, Prairie. Alright. That should be enough. And if you don't have a big pile of clay at your house, you can dig down about 2 or 3 inches in the soil, and then it'll turn into this good clay. And then we're gonna put some water in it. And this has holes in the bottom, so it's good. So we don't need it to be soaked, we just need it to be wet. You proud of yourself for eating clay? Is that what that look is? And now we're going to make an area in which to collect our track. So we're going to take the clay, we're going to squish it in our hands, get all dirty. And it works best if you can find a flat surface. That's why I'm doing it on steps. We're going to make just a big mud ball with all this clay we got. And if it's not sticking together very well, you can try getting it more wet. See if you can pat it down a little bit. Good girl, Prairie. What do you think? Does it look good? The idea is just to make a smooth spot, which we're going to try to get her to step in. Now we're going to try to get her to run through it. So, come here, Prairie. Come here, girl. Come here. Good girl, Prairie. Come here. Come here, Prairie. Good girl. Might need to try something else. I'm going to try putting it in the yard. Come here, Prairie. Come on. I think she's trying to eat it. What are you doing, Prairie? What are you doing? Can't possibly taste good. What are you doing? Prairie? Why? Why did you do that? Alright, so take 2. I'll just put it somewhere in the yard and I'm hoping she'll forget about it. Come here, come here. Good girl. Come, let's go. Good girl. Let's go. Come on. Ah, she found it. Did not forget about it. Oh, good girl, Prairie. What are you doing? Prairie, come here. Prairie. Come here, Prairie. No, it's so full of clay, Prairie. Prairie, come here. Come here. Prairie. Come here, Prairie. Alright, so I have a new technique. You could distract your dog with a stick or something. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. Alright, we're gonna do one more that we can take inside. Hey, girl. Now I'm gonna cut it out. Again, this is Katie. Thanks for joining me. I hope you guys made successful prints, and I'll see you next week.